Alright, I'm going to show you the wiring configuration to hook it up to the Arduino. The color of the wires are important. They are there for a reason. The orange wire, that is connected to pin 7. Yellow wire is connected to pin 6. Green wire is connected to pin 5. The purple wire is connected to pin 4. Blue wire is connected to pin 3. The red wire is connected to pin 2. Now I'm going to show you how to connect these to your easy stepper drivers. This is the harness right here. They're all together, and they are in order that they need to be in. So just grab one of my stepper drivers here. This will be the x-axis, so I'm going to need a red, green wire. So the red, goes to the middle pin. The green goes to the outer pin. And the ground pin goes to ground, which would be connected to these here. These are the grounds. And that's why I have the breadboard, so that way it has a ground rail on it already, so all my ground's connected to the same thing, including the ground rail that comes from the power supply gets connected together as well. Next is going to be the Y, which is going to be the yellow and the blue. Yellow wire and the blue wire. See that? Yellow wire and blue wire get connected to step and direction. This is the y-axis. X and Y. X and Y. And lastly, orange, and purple. In order: red, blue, purple, green, yellow, and orange. Red pin is connected to number 2. Orange pin is connected to number 7. So make sure they're in that order. And that should be an easy explanation of where your wire should go. And again, I wired up my easy stepper drivers the same exact color as my stepper motors. So red, blue, green, and black correspond to the red, blue, green, and black of my stepper motors. So connecting those are no problem. Thanks for watching.